What's up, guys? So basically, we're gonna be using this old rotary phone from the
1960s.
1960s. Yep, you heard it from my grandma. She's a great grandma. Yeah, why are you grinning like that behind the camera? But yeah, she does a lot. She let me use this, and yeah, I'm gonna be calling my uncle and see if he picks up. I hope he picks up because this will be really cool. I've never used one of these, and yeah. All right, guys, let's see if he picks up here. Here, put them up so they can hear it. Let's see if y'all can hear this.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, I'm just calling you from the old rotary phone.
Huh?
I'm just calling you from the old rotary phone. Yep, this is for a YouTube video. Yeah. I'm just kidding. Sorry, I know, it's kind of weird. I just wanted to try it. 1960s, this is so much different from a real iPhone. Alright, well, you have a good night. Alright, bye. Alright, guys, that's how you have it. Yep.